Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video from me Artistry. Today I'm gonna do something special that I always loved, and that's calligraphy. I thought, why not try this on yupo paper with some fantastic alcohol ink ripples? That will be interesting to watch. So keep watching guys. This is a Stonehenge 8 by 12 inches black yupo paper. For calligraphy, I am using Speedball's pen with nibs number C0 for broad and thin strokes and 513 EF for extra fine pointed lines. I want to use these Testors gold and silver paints for calligraphy as they are very thin and have a good flow. I am using all the metallic and glittery alcohol inks against this yupo paper's dull background. This is Marabou's Metallic Violet, Metallic Silver, my new alcohol inks that I am excited to use, Glitter Violet Blue Green. This is Glitter Blue Green Gold. Pinata's cleanup solution for any corrections. I hope we don't have to use this. But just in case, Pinata's base color. This is similar to the color of Tester's Gold that I am using for calligraphy. I have filled the base in this liquid applicator. It has a 20 gauge needle that is excellent for alcohol ink dropping. It's very precise. I am using 99% isopropyl alcohol that I have filled in this dispenser. And of course a small heat gun to blow off inks. These are all the materials we are using today, beginning with the calligraphy. Let's separate a paper from the booklet. I like to use a paper towel to catch the extra ink from the nib. Note, the ink I am using here is not for calligraphy. It's Tester's paint. I am using it because it has a good flow and I think it will look good on yupo paper. The paper is waterproof and I like it because of its sustainability. I am writing the word love here. Oh, I can't even finish one letter. I may have to use a lot of ink here. Since the yupo paper is not smooth, I may end up using more ink than the usual paper here. Here, I want to take a moment and thank all my subscribers. I had been reading your comments and thank you all for loving my art. Those who are new here, consider subscribing. Click the notification icon and select all so that you do not miss any future updates. Below this, I am writing the letter love in Arabic. It sounds as hope. It's a two-letter word, ha and ba. I'm using the basic strokes here and not anything complicated. To highlight the color, I want to use a silver color with nib number 513EF. And we are done with calligraphy. Time to add colors now. I want to use alcohol inks in this shape on the two sides of the paper like a fallen letter L. Keeping the bottles ready. Shake them well before use. See how the marabou bottles sound when we open the cap with one thumb. Tuck. Initially, I am pouring a couple of drops of isopropyl alcohol and then we'll add the inks here. Because this is a black color paper, I want to use something metallic silver as the base and then add other colors as ripples over it. If I use colors directly over the black paper, we can't see anything except the wet surface. So instead of using white as a base color, I want to use metallic silver here. Just adding a couple of drops of ink and isopropyl alcohol and blowing them away with the heat gun. Adding few more silver droplets as background. Now I am adding colors over the silver. This is metallic violet and a tiny drop of bars, and blow them all together, and I try to keep the colors within the silver circle. The technique here is to blow in a circular motion all around and keep the liquids within the circle and not blow them away in any other direction. This will form very beautiful looking ripples. Up till now, I have used the silver, violet and base colors. Now I am adding the glitter inks. You can see here up close. Here's a tiny drop and it's very sparkly. And I'm throwing up some more here. This one is glitter blue, green, gold, and the other one is glitter violet, blue, green. I am throwing up both of them nearby. This glittery inks looks very different on black paper and white paper. This is the result. You can see how shimmery it looks. Each glittery alcohol inks have 3 different colors. So when we look at the paper from different angles, they all shift the color and look very vibrant. Here you can appreciate it in close up. The bluish glitters are here and greenish glitter inks are here. I love how this simple calligraphy of love together with these colors imparts to an eye-appeasing art. Hope you love my love art. Consider subscribing and keep on watching, guys. Show your love with the thumbs up button below and the red button beside it. Take care and spread love. Bye.